Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable search suggestions in Microsoft Edge. So let's have a look now. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the Edge window, click on the three horizontal dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Click on Privacy, Charts and Services. Scroll down and click on Address Bar and Charts. Click Search Suggestions and Filters. Now toggle the switch off to disable search suggestions. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.